Hello traders, you're welcome back to this channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the HFT Bot, an expert advisor developed by Prasad Fidelis DSA for MT5. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at 30 US dollars. This is version 1.4, updated on September 28, 2025. Starting with the MQL5 Marketplace page, HFT Bot is described as a high-frequency trading system based on a market-making algorithm. According to the developer, the strategy continuously places bid and ask quotes with the objective of capturing spread opportunities through multiple trades throughout the day. The marketplace information, or rather the marketplace description, emphasizes that broker conditions play an important role in how the EA operates. The developer specifically recommends using a low slippage broker, and the system includes settings that allow traders to optimize quotes with according to their broker spread and commission structure. Okay, so looking further down the page, one thing I like is the flexibility regarding chart attachment. The EA can be attached to various MT5 timeframes, including M1, H1, D1, and others. The developer also highlights that the strategy can be configured for specific trading sessions and high volatility periods through precise time management settings. Moving into the features section, risk management appears to be a key component of the EA. Users can define their own stop loss distance, allowing them to control trade risk according to their preferences. The marketplace description also clearly states that the EA does not use grid trading, martingale, or position averaging techniques. Another notable feature is the moving average filter. All right. And according to the developer, this filter can help avoid inventory risk and reduce exposure when the market is moving strongly in one direction. Several moving average methods are available, including exponential, simple, smooth, and linear weighted, along with customizable time frame options. The EA also includes automatic commission adjustment for raw spread accounts. Traders can specify commission values, and the system adjusts its bid ask quote calculations accordingly. For standard spread accounts, the commission setting can simply remain at 0. Now, before moving into the backtesting section, it is worth mentioning the recommended instruments provided by the developer. The marketplace page specifically lists US 30, US Tech, Yen Forex pairs, and other volatile instruments as suitable markets for evaluation. Now, let us take a look at the historical backtest results. And I can see that the equity growth curve looks quite interesting. There were significant drawdowns at some points, though. All right, and then I can also see that from an initial deposit of $5,000, the total net profit made was $10,778.9. Total trades taken were 309, out of which 307 were profitable, giving us a 99.35% win rate. Okay, and largest profit was 536.5, largest loss 438.5, average profit 36.69, average loss 242.8. So this shows that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. All right, despite the high win rate, the risk to reward ratio seems to be bad. But now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA actually behaved in 2026 over the past 5 months plus. So we are testing the HFT Bot EA on one of the recommended assets, which is US 30. We are testing it on the H1 time frame. As for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. All right. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was 375.89, and the total trades taken were 193, out of which 155 were profitable, giving us an 80.31% win rate. Now I can also see that the largest profit was 116.08, while the largest loss was 136.5. Average profit was 11.94, average loss 38.81. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. This is kind of similar to what we saw on the marketplace page. All right, high win rate but bad average risk to reward ratio. All right, as always, historical testing provides insight into how the EA performed under past market conditions. Okay, reviewing the completed chart activity, the developer explains that the EA continuously works with bid-ask quote placement while using configurable quote widths and optional filtering tools. The historical behavior visible on the chart can often reflect how these settings interact with changing market volatility and trading sessions. So looking at the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results can vary significantly depending on quote width settings, stop loss configuration, lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, commission structure, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Now, I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and trading environments. Overall, the HFT bot presents a specialized market making approach with a strong emphasis on customization, time management, and risk control. The combination of configurable quote widths, stop loss management, moving average filtering, and commission aware operation gives traders a number of tools for adapting the EA to their own trading conditions. As always, historical backtest results should never be considered a guarantee of future performance. Test thoroughly, optimize carefully, and make sure the strategy fits your risk tolerance before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.